Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about financial functions. So first of all, you can see it's the mathematical formula. You can see it's very complicated. With this formula I can calculate the future value, and you can see this A stands for present value, this N for payment period, and this one for payment amount, P, and R for rate. So it's very complicated, and the Excel make our work way easy. So here you can see FV future value, PV present value, rate, NPR payment period, and PMT payment amount. So let's go ahead and to home. And here you can see these are three people. They have retirement plans in different ways. So for Laila, she wants to find the future value here. So I click here, the future value for Laila. So here it's very easy. I just type here the function equal sign FV tab, and here the first one rate, comma, the second one the period of years, comma, the next one amount to be invested at the end of each year for 20 years. You can see these two are minus whenever the money flow from your bank account or your wallet, so it will be minus, comma, and your present value is $50,000, 50, and close the bracket and enter. You can see after 20 years Laila will have $896,069. So it's for Laila. Come back to home, and here I have for Catherine. She wants to find out the present value. So I want to write here the formula equal sign PV present value, and here you can see the rate is 6%, comma, the year, the period is 25 years, comma, and here at the end of each year she must pay $10,000, comma. So the future value, she wants to have $1 million at the end of 25 years. In this case, how much should she invest now? So I just select the future value, comma, and here I should put 0 because it's the end of the period. Close the bracket and enter. If Catherine invest now $105 now, at the end of 25 years she will have $1 million. So it's for Catherine's retirement plan. And so now I want to find for George. He has the present value, he has the future value, and he wants to find out how much should he pay every year for 20 years in order to get $1 million. So here I use this function PMT equal sign PMT, and here the rate, comma, the period of years, comma, the future value, the present value, comma, the future value, comma, and 0. Close the bracket and enter. You can see he has to invest $28,000 every year in order to get 1 million after 20 years. You can see that Excel really help us and make our work easier. So that's it about financial functions. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.